Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Windows Universe. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix notification not working on Windows 11. First of all, you just need to check if Focus Assist is enabled or disabled on your PC. For that, you need to launch Settings. Tap on Start menu and then tap on Settings. Now click on System on the left side pane. After that, open Focus in the right side pane. Make sure it is disabled. After that, click on System again and then click on Notifications. And make sure that this toggle next to Notification is enabled. And also make sure that the toggle next to Do Not Disturb is disabled. Now close the Settings app and click on Start. Now search for Services. As soon as Services app prompt, click on it. Now you need to find services called Windows Push Notification System Service. Right click on Push Notifications once you find it and then click on Restart. Okay, now close the window and then finally restart your PC. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.